Welcome to the Holiday Hop with myself, You and Me FPP, Colleen from Colleen Sews and Chats, and Melissa from Practically Creative. We are going to hope you enjoy our quick Christmas makes. Thank you. So today we're making the last of my makes, which is the Christmas surprise baubles. All the instructions are actually on the screen, so I don't really think I need to go through any of it with you. I have thought that if you make these in different fabrics, they could do for Easter treats, or even, as Colleen suggested, actually making them using a tooth fairy pocket, so that your little ones can put the tooth in it, so you're not scrambling under the pillow for getting the tooth out, which I thought was really a cool idea. I managed to make 8 in a couple of hours, so I hope you've enjoyed my part of the fun makes, easy makes, and I look forward to all your comments. Thank you.